Mokbo.
Nice one.
Stolen by Villaruz. Villaruz into the box court. Take it all the way. Misses. Foul. Foul number 20. De la Cruz. First rebound de la Cruz. Osenia, Pinapin. Inside to De La Cruz, to Aloria, jump up, misses De La Cruz with the rebound. Stolen by Sabroso. Villaruz. Villaruz, all the way, misses, rebound, Aloria. To Carrion. There's the Carrion. Back shot is good. Villaruz. To Crisostomo. Out above the three. Passes to Sabroso for three. Miss. Rebound, Carrion. To Aloria. Pinapil, short shot, miss. Rebound. Pinapil, takes it again, misses again. Rebound, Sabroso. Villaruz. Tino. Play. Tino. Inside to Sitayao. Out of bounds. White ball. 13 seconds to shoot. Inbound to Rodriguez. To Villaruz. To Sitayao. Block. Carrion. All the way to Aloria. To Bolt. Crisostomo. Dadala ng bola. To Sitayao drive. Make it. Ryan Sitayao. Osenia. Take the three. Mintis. Villaruz. 3-on-2. To Rodriguez. Short jumper miss. Pinapin with the rebound. Osenia. Carrion. And the shoot. De La Cruz. Miss. Rodriguez. Long pass to Villaruz. 2-on-2. Foul number 23. Eman De La Cruz. That's second personal foul. Second team foul. Tino Villaruz to the line for Tino makes the free throw. Pinapil, back to Osenia, to Carrion. Mid-range shot, misses, rebound Villaruz. Throw to Rodriguez. Aloria. Inside, Pinapil. Back to Aloria. Osenia misses, rebound Sitayao. Villaruz. Tino Villaruz. And the shoot. Screen by the Raven. Crisostomo takes the three. Misses. Second drive. Makes the shot. Gino. Gonna take the ball.
Oh, simple mo lang. 100.
10 shot clock. Gino. Drops it to Tidiao. Tidiao misses. Rebound to Proto. Ito Tumol. Back to Villarus. Villarus. To Tidiao inside. Misses. With the rebound. Tidiao. Does not make it in. 8-6 in favor of Boston. 5 minutes remaining in the first quarter. Double team. Sorry, Villarus. Wait for Sela to get the foul count. Win 2 points. Mandatory substitution. In Sports Pirates, the Maple Tower, Sweet, Domingo, Carrion, David, is playing Pirates ball. Copy. To Carrion, Carrion drive, Carrion drop pass to Domingo, uses the ball, Carrion, and foul by number 5, Aniho. First personal foul. First team foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Copy. To Carrion. To Domingo, 10 to shoot. Domingo. Double team. Stolen by Domingo. To Villarus. Sa bahay. Rebound Duenas. Stolen by Capin. Queen. Pushes to Domingo. Domingo. Gets it inside. Again. Foul number 5. Aniho. That's his second personal. Second team foul. Side ball. Offensive foul. Number 2, Mugi. Domingo. First personal foul. Third team foul. White ball. Adahan. Villarus. Villarus win by hold. Villarus, baseline. Drop pass. To hold. Ravening violation. Technical foul number 2, Domingo. That's a foul away from the ball.
Hello. Good evening. Good morning. Good night. Mainit ang laban. Ito. Mainit ang laban. Hindi din siya rin. Second motion si Domingo, 3 minutes out. Out po muna out. Cool down muna, cool down. Palamig ka muna. 3 minutes po tayo. 3 minutes. Sit down.
Natin bola.
May palaban. First quarter pa lang. Score natin 10-8. Mainit na ang laban. Number 4. Ito sa mga guardia ng Pirata. 4. 1-3. Finds the bid. Put up a shot. No good. Rebound by Adahar. Adahar in transition. 1v3. 2v3. Adahar forcing his way in. Drives it up. That was a foul call. Who's foul left? Number 4. First personal warning for penalty. Ano naman ang warning for penalty? Koy, reinforce. Koy, forcing his way inside. Gets the lay. Koy, Doc Koy.
Opo.
At the half.
Sige ko, ako ni muna.
Trying to find this man. Harry Ho! Oy! Shake and bake. Villarus goes inside. Using the back. Beautiful finish for Villarus. Tough shot in both of these teams. Koy, Tap, Osenya, let it out. The Bees with an effective rebound. Outside ball, 12 seconds to shoot. Koy, 12-8. Olblayo, Harry Ho. Adahar, nagdala ng bola. Adahar, stop. Traveling violation. Twelve-8 ang aming score. In favor of the Pirates of Kenya. Lester carry on. Indeed, no pass. Adahar,
Hindi pa nakapasok, hindi pa nakapasok. Seri pa yung bola, seri pa. Lapit yan, pre, lapit. Let's go. Bola. Dito.
Rowin week left.
Ready.
Osenya. Dribbling the ball. Osenya. To deep. Carry on in the middle. Carry on. Step back. Put up a shot. No good. Adahar with the rebound. Adahar. 1v3. Going for someone. Adahar tries to go inside. Gets the ball. Who's ball left? The shot will not count. Number 8. First personal foul penalty. Penalty na po tayo. Carry on with the rebound. Osenya, nagdalo ng bola. Osenya, binabatayan ni Buenas. Buenas, almost got the ball, the beat. Covers it. Carry on, inside. Stop. No good. Rebound by Adahar. Adahar with a quick crossover. Adahar. Dribbling the ball. Lost it. Osenya. Over. Out of bounds. Second quarter pa daw po papasok si Benito. Last 55 seconds. Inside shot and a foul by Ho. Gonna be a free throw for Carrion. Third personal foul, third team foul. First shot is good. Second shot. Yes, sir. All day. Score natin 12-10. Dalawang kalamangan. Adahan, this time. Gets the foul again. And a penalty. Number 1, pushing foul. 31 pala. First personal foul, penalty. First shot is good.
Dalawa mo, baka tamba lang yun.
Second shot. Third. The bid. Koi in the middle. Fake. Oh, with a quick cross. Almost off the border. Going inside and gets the foul. Good foul, rep.
Yeah, that's what makes him great, man. Imagine being that. Imagine being that shit.
Number 5. Penalty na po. Warning pa lang, warning. Warning pa lang po, warning. Side ball lang po tayo, side ball. Fourth personal na foul na po si Po. 11 seconds to shoot. Kui. Carry on. 10. 5 seconds to shoot. Carry on. 3. Comes up short. Villaruz. Quick pass to Adahan. Lifting it out. Oh, the easy name. 4 seconds remaining. 2. And there goes the buzzer. Committee timeout. Okay lang daw po yun. Second quarter, palitan na po. Aloria, Carion, Domingo, using the glass, still no good. Bilarus to the rebound. Bilarus, nagkamadali. Adahar, Rodriguez. Oh, comes the shot. Able to put back in and gets the foul. Grabe naman yun. Number 20. First personal foul. First team foul. Chance to make a 3-point play. Rodriguez. Shot. No good. Rebound by Carrion. Carrion. Coy. Dribbling the ball. Going for his teammate. Coy. Forcing his way inside. Great foul. Adahar, first personal foul, first team foul. First shot. First shot, good. Second shot. It's good. Second shot. 12-16. Apat na lang ang kalamangan. Adahar, nagdadala ng bola. Trying to play. Rodriguez in the corner. Put up a 3. Cold blooded. Rodriguez. Oh, the spin. Goal goes inside. Gets the foul. And the shot. Oh! Trying to answer the 3-point earlier. Second person. First personal foul, second team foul. Siday Yao. Chance to make it a 3-point play and the foul by Carrion. Carrion with the first personal, second team foul. Adahar. Nagdadala ng bola. Adahar. Oh, spin move. Rodriguez again, no good. Rebound by Carrion. Carrion, no pass to Aloria. That's the shot. Adahar with the ball to Sidayao. Sidayao, oh, the second break. Pass to Adahar. Floater, no good. Rebound by Carrion. Carrion loses his teammate. Trying to push this ball. Trying to go for the fast play here. Carrion, pila-pila. Pila-pila, pumero tuloy ng tres. Wala pa rin. Domingo. Tuloy na. Wala. Bilarus to the rebound. Bilarus inside. And good. And the foul. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Bilarus going to the free throw line for a 3-point play.
Kumiga sa ere. Babantay nila rin kasi sa diretso. Sa tali sa ere. Flopping nyo pero.
25-20. Going for the rebound, Bilarus with an offensive rebound, goes inside. What's the call, ref? Wala po po. Pangilan na. Lapil. Penalty na po pala. Penalty. Pila-pila. Bilarus. First shot is good. 26-20. Second shot. No good. Rebound by Carrion. Carrion. Long pass to Aloria again. Well, good finder by Carrion. Villaruz trying to go for the pass place again. Carrion with a steal. Carrion goes inside, using the back. At the hand to Sidayao. Fast pace, Rodriguez put the back, comes up short, Carrion with the rebound. Pass to Philippines. In transition, Philippines going for the reset. Carrion. Nagdada ng bola. Carrion inside, two-step, behind the back pass to Pilapila. Sitting Manalili. At the heart, long pass to Diao. Answers to two, grabe, palitan lang ang unang score. May nakabal, Pilapila, nagdada ng bola. Pilapila, naka-chewing the pass. Aloria, kanila ng bola! With a two, Aloria, Mr. Paris Katari. Villaruz with the ball. Trying to set up a play here. Rodriguez with Sabroso, almost not stolen, but Sabroso with a beautiful floater on the corner. Pilapil, Carrion. Aloria again for the ano pala? Mandatory sub. Mandatory sub. Apat ang papalit, apat ang papalit. Apat lang. Ay, Buski. Kasama ko, diba? Buski, okay. Long pass. Villaruz. Oh, walang bantay. Running back. What's that? Osenya. David. Quick three. No good. Rebound by Muski. Muski trying to find the player. Head back Villaruz. Cocherin with an easy 2 points. Oh, with the stare down. Be careful. Osenya forcing his way in. Oh, shoot the two. No good. Rebound by Buenas. Buenas pass to Villaruz. Villaruz nagdala ng bola. Lumean. Back to back two. Right ball. Buenas to the steal. To Villaruz. To stop. Gets the foul. Penalty. 2 shots for tayo. 36-30. Looks like there's an injury. Ano ito? Tinawakan. Ano ito? Tinawakan. Time out. Pirata. 36-30. Going back to the ball game. No, pahinga ka pa yun. Extra time out ka po sa. Siguro free throw. First shot is good. Osenya battle yung bola. Congrats with the wet. Evan, De La Cruz. Oh, Sumisenya. Kapin. For three more good. Glass. Pass to Villaruz. Villaruz goes inside. Oh, shot too strong. Villaruz again in a defensive rebound. Goes inside. Gets the foul. Grabe naman to. Man on a mission. First shot. Second personal penalty. Lahat sa baba. Second shot. De La Cruz, the point guard. Kapin. Magandang kapapasan. The beat. Quick three. No good. Rebound by Villaruz. Finds Villaruz. Villaruz naman. Villaruz inside shot. Wala pa rin. Too strong. Rebound by Kapin. Nagdadala na bola. Villaruz. Oh! Grabe violation. Napapwerto si Clay Thompson. Pinagpahabol niya eh. Buenas. Villaruz. Inside. Shot. Gets the foul. Denied by. Second personal foul penalty. Villaruz. Grabe ka na, LP. Kapin! Oh, hingat ba sa akin? Kapin! Walang amok-amok. Kapin! Tumeke! Pinasa! Domingo! Evan, De La Cruz, sumunod ng boss! Malakas! Kapin! Yung rebound! Gets the foul! Kapin going into the free throw. First personal warning for penalty. Tutukin niya yan! Ang grabe, cold-blooded Clay Thompson. Second shot. Grabe, bilis tumakbo. Nakababa agad. Kaya yun si Javi. Villaruz. Dala ng bola. Play, Buenas to the screen, rejected, long pass to Muslim, shot, the big with the rebound, Domingo, nagdadala ng bola, Pinasa, Osenya, tapit niya, diretso, too strong, what's the call? Number 5, kunin mo na po ang diploma mo dito, nasa gilid. Penalty na po tayo, penalty. Free throw line. Domingo. Penalty na po. Both teams penalty. First shot, no good. Score natin 41-32. Kalamangan ng Boston. Second shot, won't go. Muslim with the lima. Villaruz. Nagdadala ng bola, nagpapadali. Isa naman, Andrew 18. Boom! Umangat. Grabe. Osenya, nagdadala ng bola. Osenya. Forcing the again. Lost the ball. Copy. Nakuha pa balik. Ostenya. To the La Cruz. Grabe Oli. 10 seconds to shoot. Copy for 3. Wala. Buenas sa rebound. Nag-aaral ng direct. Adahar. To Villaros. Villaros forcing his way in. Gets the foul. Copy. 43-32. Villaros going into the free throw line. Kapit, pangilan na. Third personal foul penalty. Kapit, sumabay. Taas mo din pre ah. Kabot ko yung utok niya eh. So, 43-32. Second shot is good. Sabi na to, 30 points sa free throw. Okay niya. De La Cruz! Pumersa! What's the call? Pong, sinapak, sinirit. 31. Okay lang. 31. Second personal foul penalty. Good ako. Picture mo, picture mo. First shot. Diretso. Diretso sa likod. Isa naman. Wala pa rin. Domingo. Ganda natin. Rebound. Put it back here. 34-44 sa buong Kalamangan. Grabe ang natin. Villaros. May Villaros. Iniskrinan. Adahar. 10 seconds to shoot. Adahar goes inside. Slow step. Wala pa rin. Ostenya. Ostenya. Long pass to Domingo. He lost the ball. Out of bounds. Villaros. Villaros. Inside, slow step. Nice pass to Muski. Yumanig yung cage spread. Villaros. Oh! Takot. Adahar, 10 seconds to shoot. Floater, shot, no good. Rebound by Muski. Trying to attack. The paint, Villaros is there. What a fake, what a shot. 19 seconds, close shot clock na po tayo. Domingo, forcing his way in. What's the call? Counted po ba? Not counted, going into the free throw line. First personal penalty. Winner. First shot is good. Second shot is good. Villaros, pinupuersa. Villaros, long pass to Adahar, left wide open, 3, no good. That is it for our second quarter. 46 36.
Wala, malakas talaga.
Shot, no good. Si Dayaw. Villaros. Oh, fine Sabroso. An easy 2 points. Looks like the defense is crumbling. Little bit of a miscommunication in the defense there. What can they do to make it up? Pilapil, tuloy na ng pass. Wala pa rin Muski with the rebound. Lapas sa Adahar. In transition. 2v3. Adahar. Picks it up. That is no good. Comes up short. Pilapil with the rebound. Pilapil with the ball pala. Pilapil being forced. And it's a foul by Sidayaw. Second personal foul. First team foul. Pilapil. Arion in the middle. Almost lost the ball there. Coy. And shot is good. Razzling and dazzling. Coy gets in his bag. Villaros. Umene, wala pa rin. Coy. Gagawin ng bola. Spins again. Coy, 2-step. Shot. Lumber. What a beautiful move there. And Arion with another steal. Oh. Carry on. Coy. Oh. Fake shot. In and out. Stolen by Muski. 46. 12 seconds to shoot. Coy. Aloria. Left wide open. Shot no good. Adahan yung pass to Villaros. Umere. May kasama bang foul. First personal foul, first team foul. First shot, no good. Second shot. Good goal. Nasega. Pilapil. Osenya. Coy. 10 seconds left. Aloria again. Shot no good. What's the call, ref? Number 10, pushing foul. First personal. Second team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. Pilapil looking for his teammate. Oh. What's the call? What's the call, Red? Out of bounds? Same ball lang. Carry on. Osenya. Coy. Goes into the screen. Puts up a three. 43-49. Anim ang kalamangan. Adahar goes into the screen. Steps back. Going for his teammate. Sabroso. Finds Villaros in the wing. For 3. That's the foul. 15-43. 7 ang kalamangan. Number 25. Second personal, second team foul. First shot. Second shot. No good. Third shot. Basket sub po tayo. Substitution. Hussein out. Domingo in. Looks like they're going for the big gun. The big gun. Philippine. Philippine. Ano yun? Goes inside. Pass to Domingo with a fake and gets the foul. Look.
Alam ko talaga pag merong kabanta.
First personal, 13 foul. Domingo going to the free throw line. First shot is good. Agahan, floater, wala ba yan? What's the call? Pushing foul. Cool. Cool. Second personal foul, 13 foul. Eight. Oh, gusto yan. Kumayayat yung manok.
Warning, warning! Warning for penalty.
25 blocking foul. Third personal, white foul penalty. 15 seconds to shoot. I repeat, 15 seconds to shoot. Philippine in transition. 4v2. What can he do? Pushes it in. Tries to get the shot up, but still got the foul sa Broso. First personal, 1-4 penalty. First shot is good. Score natin 52-46. In favor of the Boston Wolves. Second shot is good. 47, down to a 5-point lead at the half. Being forced. Oh! Stolen again by Philippine. Oh, crossover. Double crossover. Pass to Carion. To Domingo. Gets the foul. Who's foul, Rick? Number 3, second personal, penalty. Penalty na po ang Boston. Penalty na po ang Boston. First shot, no good. Second shot, no good. Troy with an offensive rebound makes the shot. Time out. Time out. Oh, basket. Drip ball. Basket na po. 52-40. 52-49. 9, di ba? 52-49. Tatlo ang kalamangan. Tatlo. Bakit ang nangalit nito? Ako sa lakpo. Villarus.
Let's go, Boston! Let's go! Let's go, Boston!
Villarus. Villarus. Sidalaw. Quick pass. Sabrosa tumira ng tres. Wala pa rin. Carrion. To Domingo. For Binu. Domingo forcing his way in. Binalibag tayo. Aroria. Hero ulit. Easy to pass. Low pass. Musgi. Musgi. His body. Grabe bulldozer. Kinakbigsak. 54-51. Tatlo ulit ang kalamangan. Domingo. Pilapil. Almost lost the ball. Same ball po tayo. 54-51.
Defense!
54-51. Domingo.
Defense!
Bola.
Defense!
Carrion.
Defense!
Easy 2 points. Adahar. 2v4. Adahar. Pinipuersa. 15 seconds to shoot.
Reset tayo to 3.
Musgi. Sinayaw. Sabroso. 5 seconds to shoot. Adahar. Musgi. Tumira ng 3. Wala pa rin. Sabroso. Defensive rebound. Back to Musgi. To Sinayaw in the paint. Batil. Sabroso. Get it to go. Back to Musgi. Pulang sa bow. Aloria. Delason. Get the foul. Adahar. Third personal foul. Penalty na po tayo. Both teams penalty. Substitution. Rodriguez in. Adahar out. Mainit ang laban. Pero mas mainit ang chicken game. Kaya pa naman. First shot no good. 54-53. Boy with an offensive rebound. Boy. Shot came up short. Villaros going to the fast play. Villaros. Rodriguez. Pinapula naman sa bow. Rodriguez. 2v4. Rodriguez. 10 seconds to shoot. Sabroso tinira sa Villaros, block by Domingo. Carrion, long pass to Aloria. Aloria, binalibag tayo. Long pass, Carrion. Easy layup. Change favor po tayo. 54-55. Isa lamang ang malamangan. Sidayaw, long pass to Musgi. Musgi, binangga ang truck. Sidayaw. Nagdadalang bola. Sidayaw. Grabe. Battle of the bridge. Domingo. With the rebound. Carrion. Tira sa laro. Gamit ang mukha. No good. Carrion. Nagdadalang ang bola. Carrion. 3 second violation. Aloria. Mahalagang bala ang pagsasalip po ng bola. Gamitin ang kamay. Iwasan po ang mukha. Nahihilo talaga. Nastag ni Aloria sa laba. 3 seconds eh. Musgi. Tumira ng 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Same ball po tayo. 54-55. Isa ang kalamangan. 14 seconds to shoot. Musgi, Sidayaw, nilaki shot, no good. Rebound by Carrion, long pass to Boy, in transition, Punersa na, kinaliwa pa. Apelander gets the foul and gets the shot. 54-57. 54-57. Namamang Pirata. 54-58. Apat. Villaruz. Pass lane na naman. Rodriguez. Left wide open shot. No good. Rebound Domingo. Domingo. Naglalang ng bola. Domingo. Pinasa. Carion. In transition. 4v3. Carion. Lifting. Traveling pala. Traveling pala. Lifting. 54-58. Apat ang kalabangan. Villaruz. Nagdadala ng bola. 15 seconds to shoot.
Screen.
10 seconds to shoot. Villaruz. Rodriguez. Pumeke. Pinasa. Adahar. Difficult pass. Musni. 3 seconds to shoot. Rodriguez. 4-2. No good. Good job po yan. Villaruz. With an easy 2 point. Grabe ang nangyayari. Grabe ang aksyon. Sa loob ng pintura. Carion. Foul po. Adahar. Fourth personal foul. Warning for graduate. Penalty po. Penalty. Substitution. Pasok na po. Pasok lang, papasok. Lumabas na, lalabas. Carion. Second shot. No good. Rebound. By your truly Musni. Crisostomo. Bola. Pinasa kay Rodriguez. Pinapo na naman ang sabaw. Crisostomo. Kay Sapson. Koy. Nagdadala ng ball. Oh! Spin! Unable to control the ball. Villaruz. Almost lost it. Villaruz. Oh! Sinagsahan. Parang hangin. Sinaanan. Masaya. 50.
Defense!
Change favor na po tayo ulit. 58-60. Last 1 minute and 32 seconds para sa aming third quarter. Musni. Iskalabay. Sidayaw. Ginamit ang kaliwa. Offensive foul by Sidayaw. Third personal foul. Uy. Tumira ng tres. No good. Rebound na Kenya. Easy 2 points. Villaruz, crossover. Binabantayan. Osenya. Tumira. Villaruz. Easy 2 points. 60-62. Dalawang kalaban. Last 45 seconds. With the handle. Good. Gets the foul. Same ball lang po pala tayo. Same ball. 15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot. Long pass to Carion. Carion forcing his way in. Crossover. Layup. Oh! Comes up short. Sidayaw. Long pass to Villaruz. Villaruz. Bumabakbak. Easy 2 points. Minor mission. All 62. 23 seconds left. 21 seconds for shot clock. Koy forcing his way inside. Easy 2 points. Sidayaw. Long pass to Villaruz. 9 seconds. No shot lang na po tayo. Ang first to 2. All 64. Koy 2 seconds. Koy for 3. No good. That is it for our third quarter. Timeout po natin para sa Pirata 3, sa Boston Homes 2. Remaining timeouts po natin yan. Pag magta-timeout, one member po, lapit na lang sa committee. And let's go back to the ball game. Aloria. Pull. Kuy. Shot. No good. Kuy. Take. Using pass. No good again. Same ball po. 12 seconds to shoot. Domingo. Aloria. Marion. Take. Side step. Pinila. Panino. Reset po. Domingo. Pinila. Easy 2 points. 66-64. Tumerus. 10 seconds to shoot. Find to the low. Stolen. Domingo. Nagdadala ng bola. Domingo. Side step. By James. Adahar. Low pass. To the low. To Musngi. Lumere. Wala pa rin. Musngi ulit. It is a foul by Carion. Carion with the first personal foul. First team foul. Second shot is good.
There.
Aloria. 10 seconds to shoot. Kuy. Carion inside. Holding Kuy. Shot. Too strong. Adahar with the ball. Adahar. Floater. Blocked by De La Cruz. Kuy. Kuy. Spins. Behind the back. Spins again. Using the glass. Beautiful move there by Kuy. Using his body. In every way. Villarus. 10 seconds to shoot. Villarus. Board. Villarus again in the defensive rebound. Pinasa Rodriguez. Shot the foul and the shot. 67-68. Second personal, second team foul. De La Cruz, big four. De La Cruz, oh, spin. Almost lost the ball there, 15 seconds to shoot. Kuy, Domingo, spin, using his body. Oh, too small. 67, 70, Umere, Villarus, bola, defensive rebound, Rodriguez. 10 seconds to shoot. Adahar. Number 38. Third personal foul. 13 foul. Third pa lang. Pass ball po yun. Pass ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Adahar. Rodriguez. Libre. Musngi with a rebound. Pwede dahil. 69-70. Isa na lang po ang kalamaan. Cool. Kuy, nagdadala ng bola.
Defense!
Crossover. Inside pass to Domingo. Domingo. Nagdadala ng one. Gets the foul. Who's foul ulit? Who's foul? 14. Si Dayaw, warning for graduate. First team foul. 69-71. Second down, two.
Ayun na, sagad, sagad.
Tatlo na po ang kalamangan. Tirus. Adahar. Crossover. 10 seconds to shoot. Moving. Inside. Hey, no good. Domingo with the rebound. Osenya. Nagdadala ng bola. Pilapil. Layup. Easy to point. Adahar. Rodriguez. Back to Adahar. Musni. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot.
Let's go!
Traveling violation. Grabe. Seven four, Osenya. Number 10, second personal foul, second team foul. First shot is good. 75-69. Timeout po tayo, basket. Timeout. Box. Score po natin 76-69. Ito ang kalamangan. Shoutout sa'yo, Uwa. Iyakyat mo na yan. Mamagalitan ka pa. Last 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Seconds to shoot. Rodriguez, quick three. No good. Rebound by Villarreal. Osenya. To Pilapil. Shot. No good. Rebound by Cole. Cole back. Inside. Shot is good. 78-69. Villarreal. Villarreal. Adahar. Rodriguez. 5 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds. That is good. 71-78.
Defense!
Osenya.
Defense! Defense!
15 seconds to shoot. Kuy. Going for the three, 10 seconds to shoot. Toy, inside shot, it's goal. 71-80. 9 ang kalamangan. Adahar, si Dilaw, Adahar ulit. Musi, fake. 5 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Shot is good. Rodriguez. Gold, 80. Carion, takes a oh, wrong pass again. Kuwait converting it. Adahar, long pass to Rodriguez. Rodriguez, Umeres, answers the two. 74-82. 76 pala. 76-82. Adahar with a steal. Adahar nagmamadali. Adahar nagmamadali. Let's see it goal. 78-82. Apat na lang ang kalamangan. Toy, step back. Mungino, offensive foul. Timeout, Pirates. Dalawa pagkuhan tayo mga kapirata. Isa na lamang sa warning for penalty na po ang Pirates. Pangkat ka pre, pangkat ka. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Uwa, may hawak ang grocery. Uwa. Adahar. Nagkano na ng bola. Adahar. Forcing right side, gets the foul. Foul na naman sa Toy. Fourth personal foul. Warning for graduate. Warning for penalty na po. Warning for penalty, warning for graduate, number 20. 15 seconds to shoot. Adahar, crossover. Stolen by Pilapil. Pilapil using Taga. 78-84, Musli, fouled by Aloria. Graduate Aloria. First shot, good. 79-84. Yung mga kalamangan, a chance to make it a 12-point lead. Saktot. Last 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Pinapil, Togo. 10 seconds to shoot. Stolen by Rodriguez. Adahar with the ball. 2 people in transition. Lays it out, but still no good. Last 2 minutes. 79-84, limang kailangan. Pirata. Pirata. 5 seconds to shoot. Boy! Nagkagano ng bola. Evan! Shot clock violation. Last 1 minute and 32 seconds. 79-84. Bostro, Villaruz, Rodriguez for three. Agud, Domingo.
Defense!
1 minute and 3 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Carrion, Agud. Bostro. Wala na pang tayo mga top Bostro. Last 1 minute. Villaruz, inside, shot goal. 81. Hard foul by Musli. Sinok. Third personal penalty. Last 2 seconds. White ball po tayo. 27 seconds. 81-87, anim ang kalamangan. Shot came up short. Penalty na po tayo. Ay, di pala ako yan. De La Cruz, pinagbigyan! Easy to ball. 81-89. Walo ang kalamangan. Shot no good. That is it for our game. Pirates wins the game.